Hello everybody, time for another quick unboxing video. This time we got two cars, Hot Wheels Mazda RX7. What year is that? Generation 1 I guess. And a 1976 Honda Civic. Let's look at the RX7. Gritty. You still on that sparkle steering wheel. Alright. A dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles. Alright. Whatever you say, box. Alright, let's open this one up. I'll leave here for the box. Alright. Excuse me. Let's see if I can get it a bit closer. Alright, so let's say focus. Oh, that's only gonna. Sorry about the glare. Gritty, Sparko, J and G. I'm not familiar with that one. Huh. Here's underside. 2011 Mattel Mazda RX7. Neat O in the front. Oh yeah, I like that stripe. Mazda. Everything on the side. The rear. And from the top. That's really nice. Alright, time for the Match Box 76 Honda Civic. Not really much in the back. Alright, let's tear this one open. I finally got it there. Alright. Look it from the front. See if I can zoom in. Oh, a bit of detail there. See if I can get a closer look. So the lighting. Civic. Wow. That's as best as I can get it. My camera. I love the wheels. Oh, dreams. Sorry, let's see if I can. Not sure if you could see that. Dreams. Wow. I always like the Matchbox cars more than the Hot Wheels for that little bit of detail. Nice paint. Hold it right. 1976 Honda. 2019. That's very neat. Always zoom it across. Alright. Thank you for watching. I'll have more unboxing videos to come. Thank you very much.